It's early morning, the kind of quiet where even the wind seems to pause. And right there, under the soft glow of a modern showroom, sits something that doesn't just look fast, it feels alive, even when it's standing still. The 2026-2027 Lamborghini Huracan isn't just another update in a long line of supercars. It feels like the closing chapter of a legendary era, a machine that carries emotion, engineering, and raw performance in a way very few cars ever have. As you walk around it, the first thing that hits you isn't just the sharp design, it's the attitude. Designed by Lamborghini, the Huracan has always been aggressive, but this version takes that aggression and refines it into something almost surgical. Every line on the body has a purpose. The front splitter sits lower, sharper, like it's slicing through the air even when parked. The headlights, still carrying that signature Y-shaped LED design, now look even more futuristic, almost like the eyes of a predator locked onto its prey. As you move along the side, the sculpted doors and deep air intakes aren't just for show. They're guiding airflow into the heart of the beast, cooling that naturally aspirated V10 engine that enthusiasts around the world are already calling the last of its kind. Because in a world moving toward hybridization and electrification, this car stands as a reminder of what pure combustion feels like. And then you reach the rear, wide, planted, and unapologetically bold. The exhaust sits high, almost like a warning sign, and just below it, an aggressive diffuser that screams performance. This isn't a car designed to blend in, it's designed to dominate attention. You step inside, and suddenly the outside world fades. The cabin wraps around you like a cockpit. Low seating position, fighter jet-inspired controls, and that iconic flip-up red start button sitting right in the center console. It feels more like preparing for takeoff than driving. The materials are exactly what you'd expect at this level. Alcantara, carbon fiber, fine leather, all stitched together with precision. But what stands out most is how everything is driver-focused. There's no unnecessary clutter. Every button, every dial, every screen is there to serve one purpose: performance. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, showing everything from navigation to real-time performance data. Switch driving modes and the entire personality of the car changes. In Strata mode, it's surprisingly manageable, almost civilized. The suspension softens slightly, the throttle response calms down, and you could actually imagine driving this through a city without feeling overwhelmed. But then, you switch to Sport. The exhaust note deepens, the shifts become quicker, sharper. The car feels more alive, more eager. And then comes Corsa mode, the mode where everything wakes up. This is where the Huracan shows its true identity. The steering tightens, the suspension stiffens, and the throttle becomes razor sharp. It's no longer just a car, it's a weapon. And then you press that start button. The V10 roars to life.
And yet, despite all this power, the car feels balanced. That's because Lamborghini has completely re-engineered the chassis for 2026. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and advanced composites are used throughout the body, reducing weight while increasing structural rigidity. This means better handling, sharper cornering, and an overall driving experience that feels incredibly precise. As you step inside, the story continues. The interior of the 2026 Lamborghini is where futuristic technology meets luxury craftsmanship. The cockpit is driver-focused, almost like you're sitting inside a fighter jet. Everything is angled towards you: the screens, the controls, even the air vents. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you real-time data about performance, navigation, and vehicle dynamics. There's a new infotainment system that's faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. It supports advanced connectivity features, including seamless smartphone integration, voice control, and even AI-assisted driving insights. But Lamborghini hasn't forgotten about the tactile experience. The switches, the buttons, the iconic flip-up start button cover, it's all still there. Because this brand understands something very important. Driving is not just about technology, it's about feeling. The seats are wrapped in premium materials, offering both comfort and support. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the car to its limits on a track, you feel completely connected to the machine. Now let's talk about sound. Because if there's one thing Lamborghini has always mastered, it's the art of sound engineering. The 2026 model delivers an exhaust note that evolves with the driving mode. In Strata mode, it's refined, controlled, almost civilized. But switch to Sport or Corsa, and the car transforms completely. The exhaust opens up, the engine screams louder, and every gear shift feels like an explosion of power. And here's where things get really interesting. With the hybrid system, Lamborghini has introduced a new layer of sound experience. At lower speeds, you get a subtle electric hum, almost like a preview of the future. But as soon as the V12 kicks in, it's like the past and future collide in the most beautiful way possible. Driving this car is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey. It's about the adrenaline, the excitement, the connection between human and machine. And yet, despite being a high-performance supercar, the 2026 Lamborghini is surprisingly usable. The suspension system has been upgraded to offer better ride comfort without sacrificing performance. Adaptive damping adjusts in real time, ensuring that the car remains stable and comfortable even on less than perfect roads. The steering is incredibly responsive, giving you precise control at all speeds. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or attacking corners on a mountain road, the car feels confident and composed. Safety has also seen significant improvements. Advanced driver assistance systems are now integrated seamlessly into the driving experience. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance systems add an extra layer of security without taking away from the thrill of driving. But let's be honest, people don't buy a Lamborghini for practicality or safety features. They buy it for the experience. They buy it for the feeling they get when they sit behind the wheel and press that start button. And the 2026 Lamborghini delivers that feeling in a way that few cars in the world can match. As the sun begins to set, the car's design takes on a completely different personality. The LED lights glow more intensely, the body lines become sharper under the changing light, and the entire car looks even more dramatic. It's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of art. You start to realize that this car is not just about speed or technology. It's about emotion, it's about passion, it's about pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. And this is just the beginning. Because in the next part, we're going even deeper. We'll explore advanced driving modes, real-world driving impressions, fuel efficiency versus performance balance, maintenance realities, ownership experience, competitors, and whether this 2026 Lamborghini truly lives up to the hype. The scene opens with the Lamborghini already in motion, slicing through a winding road as the engine note echoes through the landscape. You're no longer just looking at the car, now you're experiencing it. And this is where the 2026 Lamborghini truly begins to reveal its personality, because everything changes the moment you start driving it. As your hands grip the steering wheel, you immediately notice how alive it feels. There's a level of communication between the car and the driver that's almost impossible to describe until you feel it yourself. The steering isn't just precise, it's expressive. Every tiny movement, every subtle input is translated directly into action. And this is where Lamborghini's advanced driving modes come into play. The 2026 model takes this system to a completely new level. You're not just switching between modes, you're transforming the entire character of the car. In Strada mode, the car feels refined and surprisingly manageable. The throttle response is smoother, the suspension softens slightly, and the hybrid system works quietly in the background to improve efficiency. It's the kind of setup that makes daily driving possible, even in a machine this powerful. The gear shifts are smoother, the exhaust tone is calmer, and the overall experience feels controlled, almost relaxed. But the moment you switch to sport mode, everything sharpens. The throttle becomes more aggressive, the suspension tightens, and the exhaust opens up to deliver that signature Lamborghini roar. You feel the car becoming more responsive, more eager, almost like it's asking you to push harder. And then there's Corsa mode, the most extreme setting. This is where the 2026 Lamborghini unleashes its full potential. The hybrid system prioritizes performance, delivering maximum power instantly. The gear shifts become lightning fast, the suspension stiffens for maximum stability, and the entire car feels like it's locked onto the road. At this point, driving stops feeling like a normal activity. It becomes something else entirely, something intense, something addictive. What makes this even more impressive is how the hybrid system integrates into these driving modes. It's not just about adding power, it's about enhancing the entire driving experience. The electric motors provide instant torque, filling in the gaps where traditional engines would normally lag. This creates a seamless flow of power that feels almost continuous. And yet, despite all this advanced technology, the car never feels artificial. It still has that raw mechanical soul that Lamborghini is known for. The V12 engine remains the heart of the experience, delivering that emotional connection that no electric system can replace. As you push the car harder, you begin to understand just how capable it really is. The handling is incredibly sharp. The chassis feels incredibly rigid, allowing the car to stay planted even during aggressive cornering. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, distributing power intelligently between the wheels to maintain control. Braking performance is equally impressive. The carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, allowing you to slow down just as quickly as you accelerate. And the best part? They remain consistent even under extreme conditions, which is crucial for a car designed for both road and track use. Now let's talk about real-world driving, because not every moment is spent on a racetrack. In city conditions, the 2026 Lamborghini is surprisingly manageable. Yes, it's still a low, wide supercar that demands attention, but the improved visibility and advanced driver assistance features make it easier to handle than you might expect. Parking sensors, cameras, and smart navigation systems all work together to reduce stress in tight spaces. The hybrid system also plays a big role here. At lower speeds, the car can operate in electric road, reducing noise and improving efficiency. This not only makes city driving more comfortable, but also aligns with modern environmental standards.
Fuel efficiency, of course, is not the main focus of a Lamborghini, but with the addition of hybrid technology, the 2026 model is more efficient than its predecessors. It's a small step towards sustainability, but an important one. Maintenance and ownership are also worth discussing because owning a Lamborghini is a unique experience in itself. This is not just a car, it's a lifestyle. Regular servicing, specialized parts, and premium care are all part of the package. However, Lamborghini has made efforts to improve reliability and reduce maintenance complexity in this 2026 model. The hybrid system is designed to be durable, and the overall engineering reflects years of refinement and innovation. And then there's the attention. Driving a Lamborghini anywhere guarantees one thing. People will notice. Whether you're in a busy city or on an open highway, this car turns heads like nothing else. It's not just about the performance or the design, it's about the presence. Now let's talk about the competition, because in this segment, the 2026 Lamborghini is not alone. Cars like the Ferrari SF90 Straddle and the McLaren Artura are pushing the boundaries of performance and technology. Each of these cars offers a unique approach to the supercar formula. The Ferrari focuses on precision and advanced hybrid performance, delivering incredible speed with a more refined driving experience. The McLaren emphasizes lightweight engineering and agility, creating a car that feels incredibly responsive and dynamic. But Lamborghini does something different. It focuses on emotion. It prioritizes drama, sound, and visual impact. It's not just about being fast, it's about feeling fast in the most intense way possible. And that's what sets it apart. As the drive continues, you begin to understand that this car is not just about numbers or specifications. It's about how it makes you feel. Every acceleration, every corner, every sound, it all comes together to create an experience that's hard to forget. The 2026 Lamborghini is not trying to be the most practical car. It's not trying to be the most efficient. It's trying to be the most exciting. And in many ways, it succeeds. As the camera pulls back and the car disappears into the distance, you're left with a sense of awe. This is more than just a machine. It's a statement. It's a symbol of what's possible when engineering meets passion. But we're not done yet. Because in the next part, we're going even deeper into the details, exploring exterior color options, customization possibilities, interior trims, advanced tech breakdowns, pricing expectations, global availability, and the future direction.